In this video, I will show you a Lenovo V15 G4 business laptop honest review. So we have in here our laptop, which is our Lenovo. So what we can do in here is this laptop is actually a lightweight and compact, weighing only 1.67 kilograms, making it easy to carry. So the laptop is also powered by AMD and Intel processors like Intel Core i5 and supports 16 gigabytes of RAM and also have 1 terabyte of SSD. So the standout feature of this one is the comfortable keyboard that it displays right around here. So for connectivity, get a USB 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI, and USB-C ports. So as well as this laptop also handles everyday tasks like web browsing, video calls, and office softwares with ease. So overall, this laptop is recommended and solid choice for those on a budget who need a reliable laptop for basic business tasks. So that's all there is today, and I hope we helped.